What's going on, internet? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, first of all, I have a feeling that this video is going to be a little bit shorter than my other videos, but besides that, just because this video might be a little bit shorter than the rest does not make it any less important. As a matter of fact, this is actually probably one of my most important videos yet. I am purposely sitting in front of my demo car blocking my wheels because we finally got a wheel sponsor. As you guys know, I have been looking for a wheel company to work with for well over a year now. My XXRs were getting on my nerves. They do the car absolutely no justice and they break left and right. They're cheaply made, and the reason that I was running XXRs in my car in the first place is because, as you guys know, your girl loves to dirt drop, and I'm very rough on my wheels, okay? I crack and break them all of the time. But I was getting sick of them and I really wanted to find a wheel company to work with. But let me just give you a little bit of a backstory, okay? I am not a wheel person because I'm very rough on my cars. I try not to get emotionally attached to things, but I have never found a monoblock wheel that I actually liked on a 350Z. I always loved 3-piece wheels on 350Zs. I think they look great, but the problem with 3-piece wheels, I have never actually found a monoblock wheel that I absolutely loved on a 350Z. Like, none of the monoblock wheels made me drool over a 350Z. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love 3-piece wheels on 350Zs. You can fit some beefy freaking wheels on the 350Zs with just a stock body. But the problem with 3-piece wheels is that they are very expensive, okay? Your girl is not going to be drifting on 3-piece wheels anytime soon because that is literally going to drain my bank account. As you guys probably know, you can spend upwards of $3 grand on a set of 3-piece wheels, literally on a set of 3-piece wheels. I'm talking about 4 physical wheels. I need like 8 to 10 to get through a track day. But speaking of 3-piece wheels, stay tuned to the end of the video for a little bit of an update. But I did want to make this video to show you guys the brand new wheels that I have on my 350Z because these wheels literally make me drool. They do the demo car justice, they do the race car justice, and I absolutely love them. And they are a super small company. I don't think any of you guys even put them in your recommendations because a lot of people probably don't even know who they are, but they are called Carbyne Designs. They only have one style of wheel, 2 different colors, and a couple different sizes. Super stoked to be working with them and so grateful that they came on board because I'm going to be getting a lot more of their wheels. At this point, I am getting tired of talking. I'm sure the anticipation is killing you guys. So let me show you guys some B-roll of the wheels on the demo car and the race car, and we'll be right back. I will tell you what, I hope you guys enjoyed that B-roll segment. I know you guys do. I appreciate that you guys always flood my comment section talking about my B-roll because I'm gonna tell you this, it takes a lot of effort to get clean, smooth B-roll the way that I do, okay? That segment probably took me about 30 minutes to film by itself, and that's just because I'm a perfectionist and I will literally go back and just keep refilming the same shot over and over and over again until I feel like it's good enough, and then editing takes me even longer. But I'm glad that you guys enjoyed my B-roll because I really enjoyed taking it. But in case if that wasn't enough for you, I have a little bit more coming your way. And I feel like I have to disclose this to you guys. I've had these wheels for about a week at this point. I've been driving around on them on the demo car, got rid of my old XXRs, and I've actually already had a chance to drift with these wheels on the race cars. There's actually a little bit of a funny story behind that. I had to rush to Carbyne Design to pick up like a bunch of wheels. I'm talking about like 6 to 8 wheels with a day's notice because I had to work on a super top secret project that I'm not allowed to tell you guys about yet, but I did have permission to vlog it. So I basically just have to wait for that bigger video that was being produced to come out before I can release my vlog, so you guys will be seeing some of this race car footage over again in the future. So let's jump back in time about a week so I can show you guys some of the B-roll that I got of the race car with these wheels on them because it looks even better than the demo car. Let me show you. like that we're back to the future, which is technically the past because I still have to edit this video before it comes out tomorrow. But regardless, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of the new wheels. I absolutely love them. I think they do both cars a lot more justice than the XXRs ever did. So again, a huge shout out to Carbyne Design for working with me, especially on such short notice. I'm so happy to have them on board. I can't wait to have my sticker cut so that I can finally represent them properly on the race car. If you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you click all of the internet things below that the YouTubers tell you to do. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! You guys didn't think that I forgot, did you? I know that I told you guys to stay tuned to the end of the video when I mentioned 3-piece wheels. This is about to literally defeat the entire purpose of this entire video, but I don't even care. A couple of months ago, I teamed up with Nifty Built Wheels and I ordered a set of 3-piece wheels. And I want you guys to see the bigger picture, okay? These Carbyne Design wheels are my monoblock wheels for drifting, okay? I am going to be beating the heck out of them, but at this point, I don't think that I've actually told you guys exactly what I want to do with the demo car, and I think it's because I'm still figuring it out. So I want you guys to put the puzzle pieces together as we go along. But a couple of months ago, I bought my very first set of 3-piece wheels, and they are finally almost finished. So I will have a video coming out on that soon. Those wheels are going to be the demo car's street set of wheels, okay? I will never, ever, ever drift on those 3-piece wheels, ever. They will never see the track. Ever. Not doing it, not even for a video. I'm not even gonna do a burnout on the wheels, I promise you. And my reason for wanting to get a set of street wheels for the demo car is because I have driven on my track wheels on the street, okay? And they're sketchy because I do sketchy stuff when I'm at the track, and I crack them and I break them and I don't realize it because the wheels are sometimes still holding air. And I just don't want to keep getting stuck on the side of the road and blowing through tires for absolutely no reason when I'm just trying to get where I'm going. So therefore, the demo car is gonna have a set of street wheels. They're gonna be 3-piece wheels. I'm super excited to show them to you guys. They're gonna be getting powder coated today. I'm gonna go and try to film that process, and then I'm gonna go over to Nifty's, watch him build the wheels, take you guys along on the whole process if I can. And it's gonna be really exciting. I'm so stoked to have my first set of 3-piece wheels. I've always wanted a set of 3-piece wheels, and now I'm finally gonna have some. So super excited for that. Stay tuned for another video. I don't know when that one's gonna come out, but we're making moves, you guys. We're making moves. I'll see you soon. Bye.